Are you tired of watching the same boring logs burning each and every Christmas season? Do you want more out of your virtual fireplace experience this holiday season? You need Festive Inferno, the premium virtual fireplace. No more waiting, hoping to see someone poke and prod the logs of your virtual fire. Festive Inferno is an action-packed virtual holiday experience. We set fire to gingerbread houses, dancing snowmen, turkey dinners, festive stockings, and so much more. You and your family can sit back, relax, and watch them burn to a magically festive holiday soundtrack or the gentle sound of crackling logs. You could spend countless hours building your own festive blaze, but that's dangerous and expensive. Instead, take advantage of this exclusive premium special offer and enhance your holiday season forever. Festive Inferno, the premium virtual fireplace. Order now!